Chapter 5 E-Communication. Number 1 Introduction. Conventional communication plays a vital role in exchanging information and messages. When information and messages are pertaining to commerce, we call it commercial communication. Through commercial communication or correspondence, sale and purchase of goods, advertisements, complaints, collection, appreciation of quality of products or services are undertaken. With changing business trends and considering the expectations of customers, it is the need of the hour to make radical changes in the traditional pattern of communication. We find drastic changes in commercial activities of sales and purchase and in service-oriented commercial sector. To extend the scope of business and for the survival of business in a competitive world, we should adopt modern communication technology and implement it as much as possible. Modern methods of information and technology of communication are known as e-communication, and commercial activities carried out through them are called e-commerce. Number 2. Meaning of e-communication and its explanation. Communication carried out through the use of electronic media and devices is called e-communication. The letter E used in e-communication suggests electronics. In e-communication, information is exchanged through emails, video, and teleconferencing, television network, or online services with help gadgets like computers, laptops, mobile phones using the internet. Scope and influence of e-communication has increased on internal as well as external communication of commercial firms or large business firms. Government offices, corporations, financial, education, and voluntary institutions have started adopting e-communication rapidly. Through e-communication, the process of communication has become speedy, widespread, and less expensive and has reached global level. Number 3. Forms of e-communication. There are many forms of e-communication. Each form has its own method of functioning, expenses, instruments, gadgets, patterns, and limitations. Any person or any firm associated with business activity should use one or more than one type of e-communication considering one's business and services. The 6 main forms of e-communication that are widely used are as under. Number 1. Email. Number 2. Instant messages. Number 3. Website. Number 4. Video. Number 5. Audio. Number 6. Text messages. Let us study email in detail as it is included in syllabus. Number 4. Email. Email is one of the main forms of e-communication. Today, email is used as an important medium of correspondence. Generally, written correspondence is used to exchange messages and information. Similarly, messages and information can also be exchanged through email. Correspondence carried out through electronic media is known as email. Electronic mail is known as email. Email is a modern medium of correspondence. Email is used for social, political, commercial, and personal as well as institutional information. Email is written more tactfully than conventional, traditional letter. Form of email. Both the sender and the receiver should have email addresses. One should create an account through selection of suitable address by visiting sites that offer email services. Example, Yahoo or Google. To operate an email account, a user has to create a password using a coded language. Internet facility for both the parties, the sender and the receiver of email, is necessary for using email. Email can be sent and received from one computer to another, from computer to mobile phone, from mobile phone to computer, and from mobile phone to mobile phone with the help of internet. Points to be considered while writing email. Number 1. Email address is mentioned instead of the addresses of the sender and the receiver of the letter. Number 2. If the receivers of the email are more than one, then their email addresses are written under CC, that is carbon copy. All receivers will come to know about one another. Number 3. If the senders does not want to let others know to whom this mail is being sent and their addresses are written under BCC, that is blank carbon copy. Number 4. Date and year are not mentioned separately in email. According to the pattern of email, date and time are automatically generated. Number 5. Subject must be written in an email. Number 6. Salutation is necessary in an email. Number 7. The matter of email should be very brief and clear. Number 8. At the end of email, the sender should mention his or her name and the name and contact details of the company. Number 9. If the contact details are prepared in advance as a part of signature, then they will be included automatically in every email. Number 10. Write-ups, visuals, audio and pictures can be sent as attachment in email. Number 11. Attachments, if any, should be included in an email. Number 12. Read the matter written in the email before sending it. Examples of emails. Number 1. Write an email on behalf of Alpha Cycles, Bharuch to Healthy Cycles Manufacturing, Noida, placing an order to purchase 300 cycles. 2. From subject, order to purchase cycles. Sir, our customers are highly impressed with the quality and modern design of your cycles. The sale of healthy cycles is quite high in our area. As the new academic year begins from June, the inquiry and demand for cycles is on the rise. Please send 100 Smart Boy cycles, each costing Rs 2,600, model number SB18, and 75 Smart Girl cycles, each costing Rs 2,800, model number SG18 at the earliest. Supply all these cycles to the address of our showroom, the payment of which will be made through online banking to your bank account within 7 days of receiving goods. Prompt delivery of cycles as per order is expected. Owner, mobile number. Number 2. Write an email on behalf of Gujarat State Board of School Textbook, Gandhinagar, informing the authors of the concerned subjects regarding the meeting to prepare new textbooks. 2. CC from subject for the meeting of the subject of commercial communication. Sir, we thank you very much and take note of your long services rendered to Gujarat State School Textbook Board, Gandhinagar. You would be aware of the fact that from June 2017, a new syllabus is to be implemented at Standard 12 and new textbooks are to be prepared accordingly. You have been selected as an author to prepare new textbook in the subject of commercial communication. A meeting is to be held on 22nd March 2016 at 1 p.m. at the Assembly Hall of the Board to prepare blueprint of the textbooks, allocate work related to the textbooks, and to discuss other points related to it. You are requested to remain present in the meeting. TA and DA will be paid to all the members who attend the meeting as per the rules of Gujarat State School Textbook Board, Gandhinagar. Your cooperation is expected. Coordinator, Commerce, mobile number. To electronic gadgets and internet. Modern trend is developing the scope of communication. E-communication is used in various forms in different sectors and fields on a large scale. As per the syllabus of Standard 12, we are going to study various types of e-communication such as number 1, e-commerce, number 2, e-banking, number 3, e-learning and video conferencing, number 4, e-tendering, number 5, e-auction, number 6, e-filing, number 7, e-booking, number 8, e-stamping and number 9, e-governance. E-commerce. When a product is sold or purchased without any restrictions of time and place, that is location, with the use of electronic media through internet, it is called e-commerce. E-commerce is also called online shopping. Business units display the products manufactured by them, services offered on websites, or advertise them on television, encouraging viewers to place online orders. Products are sold or purchased either by visiting the website or through mobile phone, that is app, telephone and SMS. Options are available to make payments either by debit card, credit card, online banking or cash on delivery, that is COD. The scope of business has increased due to e-commerce and the time and money of customers are saved. E-commerce could be facilitated from business firm to business firm, that is B2B, from business firm to customer, that is B2C, and from customer to customer, that is C2C. E-banking. When a customer is able to transfer funds from the website of a bank or a financial institution by using electronic devices, then this service is known as e-banking. E-banking is a part of core banking services of banks. E-banking can be identified as internet banking, online banking, or virtual banking too. To avail the facility of online banking, the customer has to visit the site of the bank and register oneself. After verifying the details, the bank provides PIN to the customer through which the customer can make one's financial transactions digitally with that bank or with other banks or institution. When the same procedure is followed for financial transactions through a mobile phone, it is called mobile banking or m-banking. ECS, that is Electronic Clearing Services. Facility of transferring money from one bank to another bank or to another institution through electronic system is known as ECS. This facility or service is available to the account holders of the bank. It is known as Electronic Clearing Services. ECS is useful for receiving as well as paying money. Large institutions take the advantage of ECS to make regular payment such as salary, pension, interest, dividend, etc. Individual customers of the bank use ECS to pay bills such as insurance premium, light bill, telephone bill, monthly installments, etc. that are their regular payments. ECS transactions are notified to customers through SMS to their registered mobile numbers. RTGS, that is Real-Time Gross Settlement. The online services available to the customer of a bank to transfer amount from one account to another almost instantly or within a very short time is known as Real-Time Gross Settlement, that is RTGS. RTGS transactions are notified to customers through SMS to the registered mobile number. RTGS services are charged by the concerned bank as per their rules. The following information is to be filled in online form for RTGS. The amount to be transferred, name of the account holder's bank in which amount is to be transferred, the account number of the account holder of the bank in which amount is to be transferred, IFSC of the bank in which the amount is to be transferred. E-learning and video conferencing. Education imparted or obtained outside the classroom through electronic media without any limitations of time and place is called e-learning. This type of education is also called online learning, electronic learning, or internet learning. Through internet, lectures and videos uploaded on various academic websites, education can be obtained in accordance with the curriculum on mobile phones and computers. Examinations are conducted online and the results are obtained online. Educational programs are telecast on television. Audiovisual communication is carried out through computer or mobile among people sitting at various places. This is called video conferencing. Here communication process is two-way. E-tendering. Advertisements are given by an institution to obtain services for construction or sale and purchase in bulk or for any other services. Many organizations show interest for the concerned work. They send their quotations, terms and conditions. Tendering is the process of sanctioning work permit to a company. When this entire procedure is conducted online and it is called e-tendering. E-auction. E-auction means a type of auction carried out through the electronic media. In this process, the buyer and the seller make a bid for the products as they do in the market, but here it is done through a virtual market electronically. This is called e-auction. This type of business is carried out between business firm to customer, that is B2C, from business firm to business firm, that is B2B, and from customer to customer, that is C2C. The seller puts information regarding the goods or services on website specified for auction. Interested party quotes the most competitive price within a fixed time. E-filing. Information required by any organization is filed with related documents in a prescribed form and it is uploaded on its website is called e-filing. This is specified by a computer program developed for the organization. For e-filing, registration on the concerned websites is to be carried out. After getting registered, sender's account is formed and it is assessed through a password by the sender of information. Revenue Department, Income Tax Department, and other organizations provide the modern facility of e-filing and used it also. E-booking. Without restrictions of time and place, using the electronic media through internet, railway tickets, air tickets, cinema tickets, or any tickets for a program can be booked in advance. This type of service is called e-booking. E-booking is also called e-reservation. Tickets reserved through e-booking is sent in the form of e-ticket to the email or mobile phone of the person who has booked the ticket. If the person wishes to get the hard copy of the same, the e-ticket can be printed also. Payment for this is made through debit card, credit card, online banking or mobile banking. E-stamping. Stamp duty is to be paid to the government for purchase or sale of a house or land, rent agreement, indemnity bond, or for registration of business firm. E-stamping is a very safe and computer-based system of paying non-statutory stamp duty to the government. E-governance. Government services and related information can be imparted to or obtained by any person living in the remote areas of the country, speedily and transparently in terms of administration through the electronic media. The procedure of imparting government services online through electronic media is called e-governance. Illustration of e-communication. Number 1. Quotation from contractor for different types of works to construct a new building of the school. Patan Municipality. E-tender. With the Chief Officer, Patan Municipality, Bhadra Area, Patan, telephone number, invites tenders under the Swarnim Jayanti Mukhyamantri Yojana in the Ranki Vav area of the city to build new building of the school for the following work through online e-tendering system. Quotations are invited from recognized contractors. E-tender is to be filled online website. Dates for filing online tender from date to till date. Last date of submission of a copy of the downloaded technical bid, tender fee, receipt of amount paid and other documents through RPAD or speed post or courier. Till date. Time and venue to open downloaded technical bids online. Time and venue to open downloaded price bids online. Serial number, nature of work, 1. Estimated amount, 2. Tender fee, 3. Earnest money, contractors and time limit. Serial number 1. Nature of work, construction of 12 rooms of school. Serial number 2. Nature of work, paint work for 12 rooms of school. Serial number 3. Nature of work, 400 benches. Serial number 4. Nature of work, paver work in open land. Number 1. The amount of the tender for above mentioned work shall be paid by demand draft. Number 2. Earnest money, that is, the amount for the above mentioned work EMD shall be deposited in a nationalized bank through bank FDR. Number 3. Municipality reserves the right to change the time, place and date to open technical bid or price bid. Number 4. Municipality reserves the right to reject or cancel any or all tenders without giving any cause. Number 5. The agency has to bear the expenses of putting up boards and photographs, that is 3 sets, before work begins and after work is complete. Number 6. The third-party inspection of the entire work of the above-mentioned tender will be carried out by the agency recognized by the collector of Patan and payment will be made after receiving the third-party report regarding the work. Chief Officer, Chairman, Executive Committee, Patan Municipality, Patan, Vice President, President.